Welcome to Health for You, where we dive deep into the world of fitness with simple yet powerful exercises. Today, we're exploring what happens to your body when you incorporate dead hangs into your routine for 90 days. You might remember swinging from the monkey bars as a kid, but did you know this playful activity can transform into a serious workout tool? Let's unravel the mystery of dead hangs and discover their remarkable benefits. Dead hangs might seem basic, but they're a powerhouse of a workout. This straightforward exercise involves hanging from a bar, which might appear easy but requires substantial upper body strength. Just a few seconds can feel like an eternity, and the rewards? They're well worth the effort. Imagine enhancing your grip to the point where jar lids fear your touch. Dead hangs excel in strengthening your palms and entire upper body. Persist with this exercise daily, and you'll notice significant improvements not just in grip strength, but also in your overall muscle tone and endurance. This enhancement is pivotal for sports and daily activities alike, transforming routine tasks into effortless actions. Forget the forearm curls at the gym. Consistent dead hangs can lead to more robust and more defined forms. This exercise places your forearms under continuous tension, unlike any other workout, promoting muscle growth and strength thanks to the weight of your body acting against gravity. One of the best perks of a dead hang is the deep, satisfying stretch it offers your upper body. It targets hard-to-reach muscles, alleviating stiffness and tension, and promotes a healthy muscle balance which helps prevent injuries. This stretching is crucial for maintaining flexibility and aiding in muscle recovery. Dead hangs also contribute significantly to shoulder mobility and core strength. Hanging from a bar puts your body weight on your shoulders, enhancing their flexibility and range of motion. This improvement is essential for safely performing overhead activities and reducing the risk of shoulder injuries. Regular dead hangs can also lead to improved posture. They strengthen and stretch the muscles associated with your spine and pelvis, aligning your back and allowing you to stand taller and more confidently. If you're struggling with a slouch, incorporating dead hangs might just be the remedy you need. While primarily an upper body exercise, dead hangs also engage your core and even prepare your body for more complex movements like pull-ups. They provide a foundation for strength that encompasses your entire body, ensuring that you're balanced and powerful from head to toe. To get started, you'll need a secure bar. Here's how to execute a perfect dead hang. Use a step to reach the bar comfortably. Grab the bar with an overhand grip, hands shoulder width apart. Step off the platform and let your body hang, keeping your arms straight. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and ensure your back doesn't arch. Maintain a neutral neck position by tucking your chin slightly. To dismount, step back onto the platform before letting go of the bar. Revitalize your journey to wellness with Sumatra Slim Belly Tonic. Crafted from exotic, all-natural ingredients, our tonic is engineered to boost metabolism and melt away stubborn belly fat. Picture yourself feeling rejuvenated, lighter, and ready to take on the world with a renewed sense of health. This isn't just another diet supplement. It's a transformative approach to achieving and maintaining your ideal weight. Explore our detailed product guide in the description box below, where you'll find everything you need to kickstart your transformation to a sleeker, healthier you. Start your transformation today. As we delve deeper into the realm of dead hangs, it's important to understand not just the what, but the how and why behind this powerful exercise. Let's expand on the many ways dead hangs can revolutionize your fitness regimen, touching on aspects that resonate with everyday functionality and advanced fitness techniques alike. A significant yet often overlooked benefit of dead hangs is spinal decompression. In our modern lives, where sitting for extended periods have become the norm, the spine endures continuous compression. This can lead to discomfort and reduced mobility. Dead hangs act as a natural counterbalance, gently stretching the spine, creating space between the vertebrae, and alleviating pressure on the discs. This decompression is not just about feeling good. It's about fostering a healthier back and a more vibrant life. While it might seem that dead hangs are primarily an arm workout, your core plays a crucial role in stabilizing your entire body during the hang. Engaging your core prevents you from swinging and maintains proper alignment, which enhances the effectiveness of the exercise. Strengthening the core through dead hangs provides a solid base for virtually all physical activities, from athletic endeavors to routine chores. Engaging in regular dead hangs can also boost your mental and emotional health. The focus required to maintain the hang helps develop greater mental resilience and concentration. Furthermore, achieving new milestones in your hang duration can boost your confidence and motivation, essential elements for a sustained fitness journey. To fully benefit from dead hangs, consistency is key. Integrating them into your daily routine can be as simple as performing 3 sets of hangs, gradually increasing the duration as your strength improves. Start with shorter intervals of about 10 to 15 seconds and aim to increase your hang time as your grip strength and endurance build. Safety should always come first. Ensure that the bar or object you're hanging from is securely mounted and capable of supporting your weight. For those with shoulder issues, consult with a healthcare provider before incorporating dead hangs into your fitness regimen. If a full dead hang is initially too challenging, consider using resistance bands for support or performing a modified hang where your feet lightly touch the ground. Once you've mastered the basic dead hang, you can explore variations that challenge different muscle groups or increase the difficulty. One-arm hangs. Increase the grip strength demand by alternating hands during your hang sessions. Weighted hangs. For an added challenge, attach a weight belt or hold a dumbbell between your feet. Active hangs. Instead of passively hanging, actively engage your shoulder blades to prepare your muscles for more advanced movements like pull-ups. Dead hangs can be part of a broader workout regimen. Combine them with exercises like pull-ups, chin-ups, and push-ups to develop a balanced upper body. Additionally, consider incorporating lower body exercises like squats and lunges to ensure comprehensive fitness. As you integrate dead hangs into your fitness routine, the long-term benefits become increasingly apparent. Over time, you'll not only see improvements in physical strength and mobility, but also in your endurance and pain management. For individuals experiencing chronic back pain, the relief that comes from regular spinal decompression can be life-changing. Committing to dead hangs over months and years can significantly enhance your quality of life by reducing pain, improving functionality, and increasing your overall physical resilience. Dead hangs are not just about hanging passively from a bar. The exercise engages a complex network of muscles throughout the body. While the primary focus might seem to be on the arms and shoulders, dead hangs also engage the core, lats, forearms, and even the lower body to some extent. By understanding which muscles are activated, you can focus on contracting and engaging them properly to maximize the benefits of the exercise. To support your dead hang practice, it's crucial to consider your nutrition. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, so including ample protein in your diet is necessary. Additionally, staying hydrated and ensuring a balanced intake of vitamins and minerals can help improve muscle function and recovery. Foods rich in magnesium and potassium, for example, support muscle health and can help prevent cramps during intense exercises like dead hangs. Alongside your dead hang regimen, incorporating flexibility and recovery practices is vital. Activities like yoga and Pilates can improve your flexibility and core strength, which in turn benefits your dead hang performance. Moreover, ensuring adequate rest and recovery, including practices like foam rolling and massage, can help your muscles recover and grow stronger, reducing the risk of injury. Dead hangs also play a role in rehabilitation scenarios. For those recovering from shoulder injuries, once cleared by a medical professional, dead hangs can be a gentle way to begin reintroducing movement and building strength. Always start with the guidance of a physical therapist to ensure you're performing the exercise correctly without risking further injury. The simplicity of dead hangs offers a unique opportunity to enhance mental discipline and focus. Hanging from a bar requires you to be present and mindful, focusing on your body's strength and endurance limits. This practice can help improve your concentration and mental resilience, which is beneficial in various aspects of life from sports to personal and professional challenges. For those looking to advance their fitness goals, transitioning from static dead hangs to more dynamic movements provides a path for progression. Techniques such as pull-ups, muscle-ups, or even climbing-based exercises can be natural extensions of the strength and grip gained from regular dead hangs. Participating in fitness challenges or community events can make practicing dead hangs more engaging and fun. Many gyms and fitness communities organize monthly challenges that include dead hangs, offering a way to test your endurance and compete in a friendly, supportive environment. If you prefer working out at home, setting up a conducive environment is key. Invest in a high-quality pull-up bar and create a designated workout space that motivates you. Having easy access to the equipment encourages regular practice and helps integrate dead hangs into your daily routine. As you develop your dead hang skills, regularly monitor your progress. Use a stopwatch to track your hang time and keep a workout journal to note improvements and milestones. Celebrating these successes, no matter how small, can provide a significant psychological boost and motivate you to continue pushing your limits. As we wrap up our deep dive into the world of dead hangs, remember that the journey to improved health and fitness is a marathon, not a sprint. Incorporating dead hangs into your routine is just one part of a holistic approach to health that includes diet, mental health, and other forms of exercise. Stay curious, stay motivated, and let the simplicity of dead hangs lead you to a healthier, stronger body. Thank you for joining us on Health for You. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an episode. Keep hanging in there and see you in the next video where we'll explore another exciting fitness journey.